Welcome back to Michael and His Photography, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of my new Amaran 60X by Aperture. Just a quick heads up, the video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money from Amazon, $179.99. It was on sale. Normal price is normally $199. Alright, let's get into it. I'm surprised it comes in such a nice case. I don't think it protected like a Pelican, but it's still surprising. And it looks nice. Now I picked out the 60X because I wanted the bicolor. I know the 60D is technically brighter, but I figured I'd get more uses out of the bicolor for some interesting shots and background lights or key lights. First impression, it's nice and light in my hand, but we'll get to that a little later on. Let's see what else is in the box. One reflector, some paperwork, the fabric diffusion. We got some extremely long power cables. This is a good thing. We got a tilting standing mount with umbrella holder and a dual NP plate. Nice. I'm definitely going to be keeping this box for if I have to transport it anywhere. Now a quick run on the specs. It's a 65 watt. It goes from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. And uses a Bowens mount, which is pretty much the standard. First impression, it feels good in the hand. Although it looks like metal, the frame is actually plastic, which is fine. You know, this price point, you gotta cut corners somewhere. The back, I'm liking the red button. The little latch is for the Bowens mount. Stop the cover or whatever you put on from coming off. Now I guess you could hold it like this, but I can tell after like a minute or you put any type of weight on this, it would be uncomfortable. So I'll link in the description the little attachment that lets you hold it easier without hurting your fingers. Anytime a company includes something in the box that just saves you money, it's like, yes, I can give this company more of my money. That's how I feel knowing that this came with an NPF plate. Like now, I don't need to go on Amazon and find an NPF plate, spend money to have it ordered. everything came in one box. And lucky for me, since I have NPF batteries lying around that I use for my Ninja V Plus, I can just grab them, snap it in, and power on. That's bright already, and it's only 13%. The screen is nice and bright. I like that. Each push of the red button increases the brightness by 20%. 60% is crazy bright. I think it's a good thing I didn't decide to buy the 200X. Would have blinded the entire neighborhood. "100% with the hyper reflector is no joke. I'm interested to see how this is gonna look when I get my softbox. Have to test that out too. Now, this does have Bluetooth and connects to an app that lets you control the lighting effects. I'm going to demonstrate them real quick for you now, but I don't know how well they're going to show up on camera. But just stay tuned for when I do my full review. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing and initial impressions. Stay tuned, I got more videos coming up. I'm gonna have a full review of this in about a couple weeks. And I got a bunch of other stuff coming down the road, so give me a like and subscribe if you want to see some more content. Or if you have any advice in the comments, let me know what I can do better. Thank you.